All right, let's get this in the general area of where it's supposed to be. This portion of the drum is going to be facing the door, whereas the soft fabric portion of the drum is going to be facing the back wall here. Get this in. Again, you want to use the belt to kind of help you position it. Okay, now that we're kind of right here, it's a bit of a balancing act. I'm just kind of propping the drum up with my forearm right now. Putting the belt through the pulley, and I've got my thumb on the belt there, pulling this back, pulling it. There we go. Okay. Now the drum might hang forward a little bit. That's okay. The belt will hold it on. You just kind of want to make sure here. Let's see that you got that wheel all hooked up correctly. And when this goes on, see the fabric right here? It's a little bent in. Kind of want it to be enveloping this lip. You don't want it to be pushed inside like that. Now that the drum is in,